Welcome to the latest edition of Gene and Cell Therapy Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. The US FDA has introduced more flexible regulations to accelerate the development of cell and gene therapies. Relaxations include leniency in manufacturing specifications for Phase 2 and 3 trials, which will help facilitate faster development. The goal of these changes is to streamline the approval process while ensuring safety and efficacy for cell and gene therapies. uniQure has scheduled a Type A meeting with the FDA to discuss AMT-130, their gene therapy for Huntington's disease. The meeting aims to resolve questions related to the Biologics license application data package. This meeting is crucial for moving the therapy closer to accelerated approval, offering potential hope for patients with Huntington's disease. REGENXBIO shared promising data from the Phase 1/2 trial of RGX-202 for Duchenne muscular dystrophy. Patients showed significant improvements in motor function compared to expected disease progression, strengthening the case for accelerated approval and potential commercialization of RGX-202 in the coming years. Nanoscope Therapeutics has secured fast-track designations for its retinal gene therapy, MCO-010, from Japan's Ministry of Health, Labour and Welfare. MCO-010 is the first retinal gene therapy to receive both Sakigake and Orphan drug designations in Japan. These designations support expedited development and market access, positioning MCO-010 for a strong global presence. AstraZeneca has signed a $630 million deal to acquire the remaining global rights to CCAR031, an armored CAR-T therapy targeting GPC3 in hepatocellular carcinoma, a type of liver cancer. This acquisition strengthens AstraZeneca's oncology portfolio, particularly in challenging cancers like liver cancer. AGC Biologics celebrated the US and EU approval of Waskyra for the treatment of Wiskott-Aldrich syndrome. The company played a key role in the development of this gene therapy by providing critical manufacturing services. This approval marks a significant milestone for gene therapy in treating rare immune disorders. Ocugen has announced positive preliminary Phase 2 data for OCU-410, a gene therapy targeting geographic atrophy. OCU-410 demonstrated a 46% reduction in lesion growth compared to the control group, with no serious adverse events reported. This data strongly supports continued development and regulatory filings for OCU-410. Capricor Therapeutics has provided an update on its Biologics license application for Deramiocel following the FDA's review of HOPE-3 trial data. The FDA has requested additional clinical data to address concerns raised in the complete response letter. Capricor is working closely with the FDA to address these issues and continue the review process for this Duchenne muscular dystrophy treatment. Stay ahead in gene and cell therapy research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.